In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see if someone has access to your Outlook or Hotmail account. We're going to review your recent account activity so you can quickly confirm whether every sign-in was really you and take action if anything looks off. Start by opening a web browser and typing account.live.com/activity into the address bar. Go directly to that address rather than following links from emails or messages, which helps you avoid phishing pages. For the most accurate results, use a trusted device and a secure network. If you're on a shared computer, consider using a private browsing window and be sure to sign out when you're done. Next, sign in with your Outlook, Hotmail, or live email address and your password. This is your Microsoft account. Because the activity page contains sensitive security information, you may be asked for extra verification. If prompted, choose your backup email or phone number to receive a one-time security code, then enter that code to continue. If you no longer have access to your backup contact methods, you'll need to update your security info after you regain access. But for now, complete the verification to reach the activity page. Once you're in, you'll see a timeline of activity from roughly the last 30 days. Each entry represents something that happened on your account, such as a successful sign-in on the web, a sign-in from a mobile app, a password or security change, or an unsuccessful attempt. Scan the list and look for anything you don't recognize at first glance. Click any entry to expand it for more detail. You'll see the exact time and date, the approximate location based on the IP address, the device and browser or app used, and the status. Status labels like successful, unsuccessful, or marked as unusual help you prioritize what to review. Keep in mind that locations are estimates and can look strange if you're using a VPN, traveling, or on a mobile network that routes traffic through another city. Some entries may also show generic device names or list an app protocol like IMAP, which can appear if you've connected the account to a mail app. If you notice activity that isn't yours, act right away. On the activity entry, select the option indicating it wasn't you to start securing the account, then change your password to a strong, unique one. Turn on two-step verification, review and update your recovery email and phone number, and consider signing out of all sessions to remove access from unknown devices. That's it. By checking this page regularly, you'll stay in control of your account and respond quickly if anything suspicious appears.